Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming Obsidian is up to date and backing up your vault. This prevents data loss. Next, choose a sync method: Obsidian Sync for seamless integration, Cloud Storage for simplicity, or Git for version control. Once chosen, create or select the vault to sync and enable sync settings for both notes and attachments. Make sure to set conflict resolution preferences now, because early choices determine how edits from multiple devices merge later. You now configure the core sync mechanics. Install and authenticate the sync service or plugin you selected, supplying credentials when prompted. Then explicitly include which folders and attachment types should sync and whether plugin data needs propagation. This reduces unnecessary transfers. Once settings are applied, create a small test change on one device and watch the sync status. Successful icon indicators or logs confirm propagation. If it stalls, pause and re-authenticate before proceeding to full migration. You finish by running a full sync and verifying content across every device to ensure consistency. If conflicts appear, review timestamps and edits, then choose the authoritative version or merge manually. Take your time to avoid losing notes. Make scheduled backups and enable verbose or diagnostic logs so you can spot recurring issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if sync fails repeatedly, sign out and sign back in. Then reinitialize the vault connection. That often clears stale tokens and resolves sync loops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.